everybody? It's your boy KellyB coming back with another video. Man, look at it. Today is a beautiful day. Sun shining is out here today. A little cool, but we out here but we are yet alive. But man, I got a great video coming to you today. And before I start that, man, I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. Hope you really enjoyed your family, because family is all we got these days. But we got friends these days too. But hey, man, y'all, I got a great video coming for you today, and I'm gonna show you what I got and what we're gonna install on Khrome right after this. What's going on, y'all? Hey, today, y'all, we are gonna be replacing the BadBoyz Cyclez saddlebag guards here. These are ones that I've been rocking here. These are about 1.5 inches thickness right here, but I'm gonna be replacing them with some more BadBoyz Cyclez saddlebag guard, the Renegades, man. And let me show you what they look like. All right, put music to this. It's going. Okay, y'all, these are the BadBoyz Cyclez. I told you I was gonna be replacing those. That's one of the things that I wanted to replace on Khrome is the saddlebag guard. I was looking for that more performance style saddlebag guard, and we got it right here. I was going with another company, but I decided to change my mind. And my boys from BadBoyz Cyclez, before I go any further, let me thank them for sending these over. I appreciate you all working with me on this channel right here, man. These gonna look good on the bike. Let me get these off. Look at this, y'all. See, if you get some of the competition saddlebag guards, they are a lot thinner. Look at this. Look how thick these are right here. This is what I like about BadBoyz Cyclez, and that's one reason that I purchased those right there, because the thickness matches up with your engine guard right here, and I love that look right there. So, man, we're gonna get these on here. It should be a very simple installment, y'all. Let me show you what I did on the last one. It comes with everything. It comes with this. You just got a screw here, and you got 2 screws back here that I'm gonna have to take off right here. You know, that holds up the muffler right here, but that's gonna be it, man. Just I'm gonna pull the side cover off. You got a bolt here. Let me pull this off. And you got a bolt right here. So you got one bolt here, one bolt here. Take this nut off and this bolt, and you're gonna pull these off right here. And this just slides up in there, and I think that's the same exact way. And we're gonna get them on here, y'all, and see how they look on the bike. So let's get to it. Y'all, this is a 10mm right here that we holding for the bolt back here. And this is 5 3/4 Allen wrench right here. 5/32 I'm sorry. So yeah. Okay, y'all, it comes with all the wheels right here. I'm not gonna unwrap them right now until I get ready to put them on. And it comes with new bolts as well. I already got blue Loctite on. So you got everything in here. BadBoyz Cyclez always provides you with all the bolts, so you don't have to reuse the bolts and worry about the blue Loctite. You see that? So, y'all, let's get it on. I have to get this here. Y'all, let's get it done, man. So we're gonna continue this. Hey, you will have to still reuse this rubber here. So that's the rubber that goes right up in here. And this is the little deal that your exhaust hooked on too. So you just gotta put it back in this little hole, and it should just push up in there. Real easy, see that? And then just put this back in there, just like that. If it's too tight, just get you a little, you know, lubricant and I'll put on there. And we're gonna use the Zax, the new bolts that they gave us, and we're gonna put this right back on here, just like that. So y'all, very easy installment, man. This on right here, I used the 2 stock bolts that came in here. Those are only 2 stock bolts that you're gonna use right there. So this is on, I got this back on. Only thing we gotta do now, we're gonna just slide that up in here. Just slide it like this, turn it. You're gonna line that hole up right there. It's a hole right there. And you see it's already kind of lining up with all of that right there. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna, I'm gonna take this bolt here and I'm gonna go ahead and put the little bolt in here first to come with it as well. So this is it right here. And it has, you don't have to use blue Loctite on this. So we're just gonna put it back on here like this. And like I said, it's got the hole right there. So BadBoyz Cyclez make it really easy for you to install this. You just slide that bolt in there like that. And you're gonna slide the nut on. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and put this bolt in right up here. Try to line everything up. Keep everything aligned. See that? Now that's a line, everything is aligned right there. Man, it looks good already. Just look at the thickness of this, the quality of this. If you think about the stock saddlebag guard, it's really small, it's really thin. I think it's like 1.25 inches or something like that. But this is 1.5 inches, and it's gonna look really good on here. And like I said, you got a bolt, it's already got the plastic in here, so on this one right here, you don't have to use blue Loctite. You just put it in there, and it has an Allen wrench size on the end. That's not the right size there. That is it right there. And it went up a size on me. So that's the size right there. And that's a 7/16, y'all. So let me get this on here and get this tightened up. Just snug it up real tight like that. You don't have to over tighten it. It snugs right up in there and it looks really, really good. So now we're gonna just finish bolting this up and we're gonna put the wheels on. The wheels get screwed up in here. It's gonna look really, really nice. So check it out, y'all. Look, I got this on. It looks really good. I got the wheels on. BadBoyz Cyclez on USA. One thing I like, it's made in the USA, y'all. So that's why I deal with BadBoyz Cyclez. And like I said, I appreciate them sending this over. But we're gonna get the next one on, and I'm gonna put the bag on it and let you see how it look with the bag on. You might want to go to BadBoyz Cyclez, and I'll put a link down there in the description so you can go to the link and actually, if you decide you want to change your saddlebag guards up and put some on your bike. These look really good. They beefy, y'all. They real beefy. I wouldn't say they healthy, but they healthy, beefy looking, man. They really looks nice on the bike. You might drop your bike. I know some people say they don't drop their bike at all. They hadn't dropped their bike, but you never know. You never know, you might tilt over. Because I actually tilt mine over right when I got down to Kerrville. I actually kicked the kickstand down. I didn't know it had popped back up. And my dude, Boots and Genie Rider, he saw it. And he said, man, I saw when it popped back up on me. And I dropped my bike. So, but my saddlebag guard from BadBoyz Cyclez saved my saddlebag. So y'all, let's get this on here, and I'll show you the finishing product after we get everything else installed on the bike. Very simple installment, y'all. Let's get it done. We are done with the saddlebag guards. Take a look at them, y'all. Look at them. Look at them real close. Look how beefy they look, y'all. BadBoyz Cyclez, made in the USA. That's one reason I deal with BadBoyz Cyclez. I really like their product. What's going on? Look at that. That looks really good, y'all. Check out the angles here, man. Look at that. Look at the angles, how big they are. They really beefy, y'all. So yeah, man, that's gonna be it right there. I appreciate y'all coming to the channel, y'all, but I do have the front ones as well. So man, y'all stay tuned. Might be a big transformation going on up front, y'all. So y'all stay tuned for the next video, y'all, because there might be something going on in the front of Khrome dealing with the lures. But y'all, I mean, that's gonna be it for today. Y'all stay tuned for the next video. Hey man, I love y'all, appreciate y'all. Hope everybody having a happy holidays and enjoying your family time with, you know, all your family. Hey, if you got something against your family, man, go say I'm sorry. It's just as easy, simple as that to get your relationship back with your fam. So hey man, till the next time, the next grind, y'all stay safe. We out. 2, 3.
We rollin', man.